From the state capitol in Richmond, I'm Craig Carper. Today is crossover at the General Assembly, when each chamber must complete all work on their own legislation before sending their bills across the hall to be considered by the other body. The House and Senate sped through substantive calendars to consider hundreds of bills well before their midnight deadline. The House passed legislation that would bring state tax code into conformity with recent changes at the federal level. Left unchanged, the state would net a major windfall from the existing tax code. Republicans want to give this money back in the form of tax cuts for middle and upper income families who they say are paying more. Democrats favor keeping most of the money for reserves and tax credits targeted specifically at low-income Virginians.
We're trying to increase the standard deduction, allow you to itemize in conformity with the new federal tax bill, also continue to provide some deductions for homeowners.
The bill passed on a party line vote 51 to 48. The Senate is considering a plan they say is simpler and would benefit more people. A conference committee will reconcile the differences later this month before sending it back to both chambers for final votes. For Assembly 19, I'm Craig Carper.
Broadcast of Assembly 19 is brought to you by the Virginia Education Association. An investment in Virginia teachers today will bring dividends tomorrow.